God, I hate this. You have to,
That's not a tablespoon.
No,
Maybe we should do it like this.
shit, maybe I should put my hair back. I need like a leveler.
Get done it like Jenna Marbles.
I didn't want to do that.
Oh, you make a mess,
Can
dude.
I touch it? I feel like that's gross. Can you give me a knife? Don't touch it. I don't want you touching it.
With a knife over here.
Yeah. Like a sharp knife so I can stab you. Level it up. Okay. Yep. Pack it in there. Look at all the cinnamon. Okay, I'm wasting cinnamon. It's not like anyone uses it.
Yeah, no one uses cinnamon.
I only put it occasionally on like oatmeal. My parents are old, so they eat oatmeal. Okay. Should I put my hair back?
Do you want me to put your hair
Oh
back?
my god, don't worry. I don't have a fucking haircut.
Here.
Oh, I got
Here.
Oh.
Just said here.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Just give it back.
No! This hair dress not that stretchy for her.
No, it's not.
What is it made out of? Yarn?
I don't know. It's a $1 one. Dollar Tree. It's the only thing I get.
At least I need to breathe. I feel like I'm just gonna start laughing. This is what people do in high school. I don't want to do it.
I don't want to do it. Just do
What
it.
if I died? What's the number we call in case of emergency?
What's the number for 911? Ready, set, 1.
I just dropped it.
I don't care. 1, 2. Oh, okay. Ignore 2.
Look at you, it's all in here.
Ew, it does look like throw up. This is like a 3-minute video. Mom's gonna be like, what the fuck? It's on my cup.
What were you doing? Nothing!